Okay, boys and girls, you're going to love me for this. On this multiplying, multiplying is a lot of work. Well, I'm going to do number 8, page 11. This is your second review, multiplying decimal numbers. I'm going to try and do number 7 for you in class, but number 8 is also very difficult. I'm going to go ahead and walk you through it. I expect for you to go ahead and do it at first, and also when you are doing these when you're doing anything and you are copying me, if you don't show all my work, you're getting it wrong. So if I put a little dot there, you better put a little dot there. If I put a little line, you put a little line. If I'm doing the work, you are too. This is your work, not mine. Number 8, page 11, our second review, multiplying decimals. 1 inch is approximately 2 54 centimeters in length. If a fish measures 15 8/10 inches in length, how many centimeters would that equal? So this problem is a multiplication. You've got to multiply. If 1 inch is 2 54 to find what 15 8/10 are, you have to multiply 2 54 times 15 8/10, and that is 3 digits times 3 digits, and that is a tough one. So we're going to start, and I'm going to put 2 54 on the bottom. I don't know why. And 15 8/10. Now, I've told y'all before, when you are multiplying decimals, you are pretending like they are not there. You just ignore the decimals at first. So really, we're pretending like we're doing 254 times 158. And so I'm going to start with my ones digit. 4 times 8 is 32. I put down my 2. I carry my 3. 4 times 5 is 20, plus my carried 3 is 23. I put down my 3. I carry my 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. Now I kiss, kiss, hug. I'm not drawing goodbye yet because we have 3 digits this time. So we're not doing goodbye, waving goodbye until after our 2 here. So now I'm multiplying by my 5. And remember, we're pretending like it's 50. The decimal's not there. We're pretending it's 254. Since this is 50 and not 5, that's why we have to put a 0 here. It's to hold our place. So now we multiply. 5 times 8 is 40. I put down my 0. I carry my 4. 5 times 5 is 25. Plus your carried 4 is 29. I put down my 9, I carry my 2. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7. Now, I kiss, kiss, hug, hug. This time you put 2 hugs, because remember, we're pretending like this is 254. Well, 200 has 2 zeros. Now we can wave goodbye. Goodbye. Now we multiply by our 2's. 2 times 8 is 16. Put down your 6, carry your 1. 2 times 5 is 10, plus your carried 1 is 11. Put down your 1, carry your 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Now I do my whole adding. Look at how, I just want you to notice how my numbers are lined up. You can tell a 2 from a 3 and a 6. This kind of is a messy 0, but you can still clearly see, look how big my numbers are. There's no mistaking what my digits are. Sometimes when I read your numbers, I'm just saying to myself, how can they even, a lot of y'all make mistakes. You can't even read your own writing. Make your numbers big. You got plenty of room. You got the whole back side. Keep them in line. Look, all my 1s, all my 10s, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, they're all in a nice little straight line. The neater you learn to be, the fewer careless mistakes you're going to make. 2 plus 0, sorry for my whole little diatribe there, but 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 0 is 3. 6 plus 9 is 15. Plus 6 is 21. I put down my 1. I carry my 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. I put down my 0. I carry my 1. 3 and 1 is 4. Now I've got to place my decimal point. The way you do it, you come up here. If you have one decimal number here, the 8/10, so in this number you have one decimal number. In 2 and 5400ths you have 2 5400ths. That's two decimal numbers. Together, 1 plus 2 equals 3 decimal numbers. Well, if you have 3 decimal numbers in the problem, you need to have 3 in your answer. So I tell you to start here, and then 1, 2, 3. This is where your decimal is going to go. So your answer is going to be 40 and 132 thousandths centimeters. All right? And you have to make every little mark that I've marked. If I don't see this little kiss, 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 and all those things stacked up and I can't read your numbers, I'm marking it wrong. So make sure you copy everything I do. If I'm doing it for you, you can at least copy it correctly. All right, good luck. And the other ones are not quite as hard as 7 and 8. They're still difficult, but not quite as hard. So good luck, boys and girls.